everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sowing some flower seeds. As you can see, I have marigolds, dianthus and petunia bedding mix. This is a large petunia and the calendula Indian prince. So I'll do the colors of that, and I've labeled where I'm going to sow them: marigolds, calendula and dianthus, and on both of these is going to be petunias, but I do not know where the other labels are, so we'll just find those labels afterwards. But I have another variety of petunia, as you can see here, which I collected last year from my own petunia collection of my own petunia plants. So firstly, let's just sow the petunia plants. The tall mix will go here, or the bedding mix, and the variety I just collected will go inside here. So let's just start with that. But firstly, let me just show you what these seeds are. So marigolds, so French petite mix, different colors. So this grows 20 centimeter tall. Dianthus, baby doll, it grows 20 centimeter tall as well. Petunia bedding mixed grows 40 centimeter tall, and the calendula Indian prince grows 75 centimeter tall, and that petunia grows 20 or 30 centimeter tall. So let's just start with planting them. Cover the seeds that are big in size, such as marigolds, for example. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you later in the next video. Bye.